Do you know the importance of the AC system hoses and ducts? How to diagnose the failures? When and how to replace them? No worries, Nissan's experts are here to help. The AC hose is a critical component of the AC loop. It connects all the system elements into one sealed loop and ensures proper circulation of the refrigerant and the oil within the system. Remember to thoroughly inspect the AC hoses whenever servicing the AC system. The hose should always be subject to thorough inspection and replacement by the major system services such as condenser and compressor replacement. So, what can go wrong with the AC hose? There are a couple of things that can affect longevity of the AC hose. Let's review the most common failures. First, the harsh condition. The hose works in really difficult condition, with moisture, with impact of the salt from the road, with fluctuating temperatures. All this can really affect the lifespan of the AC hose. Aging rubber and seals is another part that can affect the function of the hose. The porosity can cause that the refrigerant will be leaking. And the same applies for the seals, which of course are also tear and wear part within the hose. Mechanical damages. As a pretty delicate part, the AC hose is also easy to be destroyed by light impact of some crashes, improper installation or abrasion that can occur within the engine bay and the system. Inner clogs and flow restrictions is another harmful impact on the AC hose. As the system can get contaminated by, for example, compressor seizure, the inner flow can really be limited within the AC hose, qualifying it to replacement. Technicians are often tempted to skip the thorough inspection and replacement of the AC hose. It's understandable, it's an extra service cost and time. However, running the AC system with a faulty hose really exposes the other expensive and vital part of the system to harsh condition and premature failures. For example, AC compressor, the heart of the system. Running the system with a leaky AC hose really put an extra strain of the compressor. The same goes for the vital lubricant. Leaks can eliminate the proper lubrication of the AC compressor. Another sensitive component which can fail because of the contamination, moisture and leaks in the system are, for example, thermal expansion valve, sensors and other devices that can really fail because of the faulty AC hose. That is why a regular AC hose inspection and replacement is crucial by any major service repairs. For example, replacing AC compressor or the condenser really requires installation of a new AC hose. The AC hose is a factory-engineered component which consists of various materials and elements such as rubber, aluminum and mounting brackets. Patching, repairing and fixing failed hose is never a good idea because it's rarely you can replicate the air seal tightness and the proper fitment on the vehicle. Fortunately, today is not even a challenge. Today, in the aftermarket, you can find all the parts from one trusted supplier, such as Nissan's. Selection of a proper part for the proper vehicle is easy because all the parts are catalogued, including technical drawings, pictures, diameters and all technical details needed for the proper part selection. The product range from Nissan covers both high and low pressure AC hoses as well as combined versions. The product is perfectly designed to reflect the OE part and to fit the vehicle perfectly. The design combines lightweight aluminum as well as high quality rubber and elastic element here, which is made of 5-layer rubber including nylon and EPDM finish. This secures low permeability and long service life of the hose. As the first fit product, the AC hose from Nissan includes everything that is needed for the proper first-time right installation, including gaskets or pre-mounted O-rings. The AC hose from Nissan are compatible with the major refrigerants, are helium tested to secure supreme tightness. The AC hose installation requires a full-scale AC service, which is why you should remember about some key elements of such a service. Among others, you should always pre-lubricate the decoupled and recoupled elements and its O-rings. You should never skip other crucial AC service procedures, for example, securing proper cleanliness, dust flushing, long-term vacuum, appropriate leak test via, for example, long-term pressure test, and finally, charging the system with a proper amount of refrigerant and lubricant. Remember, regular inspection and proper installation of AC hose secures proper system performance and longevity, as well as reduce the service costs. If you are looking for more technical insights, visit nissens.com experts.